How to use Amazon Music with Prime Membership, Tutorial 2026. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to use Amazon Music with your Prime membership in 2026. If you are a Prime member and you did not even know you have access to 100 million songs at no extra cost, stay with me because I am going to show you everything you need to know. So first, let me explain what you actually get. Amazon Music for Prime members provides access to 100 million songs ad-free, the largest catalog of ad-free top podcasts, and thousands of playlists and stations. If you pay for Amazon Prime, currently $139 a year, you automatically have access to Amazon Music Prime. This is the default tier for members and requires no extra sign-up. It is included at no additional cost. Now here is how to start using it right now. Step 1. Download the Amazon Music app. It is available via the free app for iOS and Android on smartphones and tablets. On computers, you can use the desktop app for Windows and Mac, or directly from the web player at musicamazon.com. It is also the native platform for the entire Alexa lineup like the Echo Dot, Echo Show, and Fire TV family, and apps are available for most smart TVs including Samsung, LG, and Sony, as well as devices like Roku or Apple TV. Step 2. Sign in with the same Amazon account that has your Prime membership. Once you are in, you will immediately have access to the full Amazon Music Prime library. There is no separate activation needed. Step 3. Understand how playback works because this is where most people get confused. As of 2026, Amazon Music Prime has evolved to offer the full Amazon Music catalog of over 100 million songs. But with one major catch, you can only listen to most of it in shuffle mode. You can pick an artist, album, or playlist, and the app will create a station based on your selection, but you cannot play a specific song on demand. The exception is the all-access playlists, a curated selection by Amazon where you do get full control and the ability to download for offline listening. Step 4. Take advantage of those all-access playlists because they are the best part of Amazon Music Prime. Prime members can pick and play songs from a curated selection of all-access playlists, on demand with no skip limits, or download them to listen offline. These playlists cover all kinds of genres and moods, so browse through them inside the app and add your favorites. Step 5. Know the limitations. Offline listening is now only available for all-access playlists. Except when listening to all-access playlists, skip limits are applicable in most other scenarios. Amazon Music Prime streams in standard definition, which is compressed audio around 320 kbps. Also, on Fire Tablet, you do not have a full music catalog or ad-free podcasts availability. And on Fire TV, you can only listen to music. Now, if you want more control, here is what upgrading looks like. The most recent price increase, effective March 5, 2026, pushed the family plan from $16.99 to $21.99 per month, and the annual family plan from $199 to $219 per year. Individual non-Prime plans now sit at $12.99 per month, while Prime members still pay $11.99 per month. Amazon Music Unlimited is the paid tier that gives you full on-demand access, lossless HD and Ultra HD audio up to 24-bit/192K HZ, Dolby Atmos spatial audio, one Audible audiobook per month, and offline downloads. Here is your pro tip. By utilizing the all-access playlists included with your Prime membership, you can frequently avoid the $10 monthly upcharge for unlimited. Spend a few minutes browsing them because Amazon curates playlists for every mood, genre, and activity. And on those playlists, you get full on-demand control with no skip limits and offline downloads. All for free with your existing Prime membership. Quick recap. Download the Amazon Music app, sign in with your Prime account, explore Shuffle Play across 100 million songs, and use all-access playlists for on-demand listening and offline downloads. That is everything you need to start enjoying Amazon Music with your Prime membership today. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Drop a comment below and let me know if you're sticking with Prime Music or upgrading to Unlimited. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.